Okay, so it comes packaged like this in a box. Let's see what's inside. If I can get the box open. There's a bunch of little packets inside. Looks like a sprayer valve with an on-off switch. Small washers. Larger, the hose washers. This must be the quick connect fittings. It has a splitter. Not sure what those are. And I don't see any paper that tells you. There's another quick connection fitting. Looks like maybe for hose to a hose. Another fitting so that you can shut off the water.